comes from Fajardo. Nakalusot. Pero wala the black. And now, transition. Now, receive by. Steal. Now, number 15 have the ball. Cruz zigzagging. Slashing the defense. And now, slipping the ball. No look pass. Kayo na daw bahala. Bounce pass. Nakatawid. Slip away. Steal. Bounce pass to number 10. And ang bilis ni number 15. Bigay dito kay Pero, turnover. Para steal. Now, palitan ng possession. Number 10. Another turnover again. Nalikuran siya dito. Pass Mela. Now, number 15. Ito sa Roque. Kick out. Fires! Steal. Now, number 15 have the ball. Cruz. No good. And ang bilis ni number 15. But back to number 10. Gandang pass, gandang cut. Shot. And bucket by number 15. John Cruz making his first two.